The race for dominance in humanoid robotics just got even more intense. This time, it's GAC Group, one of China's automotive giants, making headlines with their humanoid robot Goate version 3, unveiled yesterday in Shanghai. GAC is positioning itself as a major contender in this rapidly growing field, aiming to rival Tesla's Optimus and other global players. This isn't just a flashy announcement from an automaker. It's a calculated move that reflects a broader shift in how companies are redefining their roles in the technology landscape. From industrial applications to the possibility of household assistance, Goate isn't just about what it can do today. It's a glimpse into the future of robotics. Alfie here. Let's get straight into what makes Goate a fascinating leap in robotics, how it stacks up to its competitors, and why this marks a significant shift in the global robotics market. Before we dive into the robot itself, let's talk about GAC Group. Short for Guangzhou Automobile Group, GAC is one of China's leading automakers, and its name carries significant weight in the global automotive industry. Established in 1997, this state-owned company is no stranger to innovation or competition. Today, GAC ranks as China's fifth largest car manufacturer, producing over 2.5 million vehicles annually and maintaining its spot among the top 15 global automakers by revenue. What's even more impressive? GAC has been a Fortune Global 500 company for 12 consecutive years, ranking 181st in 2024. Its rise has been fueled not only by its automotive output, but also by its relentless focus on research and development. With an R&D investment exceeding $7 billion and more than 19,000 patent applications to its name, GAC is well equipped to push boundaries, and that's exactly what it's doing with Goate. So why is an automaker entering the robotics space? The answer lies in a convergence of industries. Automotive giants like Tesla, Hyundai, and now GAC see robotics as a natural extension of their expertise in AI, manufacturing, and mobility. For GAC, Goate isn't just a side project. It's a strategic step into a future where robotics plays a central role in shaping industries and daily life. At first glance, Goate might seem like just another humanoid robot, but it's far from ordinary. This robot is the culmination of years of engineering expertise, innovative thinking, and a desire to create something that stands out in a crowded field. Here's what makes Goate a game-changer. Goate features a unique wheel-leg locomotion system, giving it unparalleled flexibility. It can operate in both bipedal and quadrupedal modes, adapting to the demands of different environments. In its two-wheel mode, Goate stands at 5 feet 9 inches tall, resembling a human in stature and movement. When it shifts to four-wheel mode, it lowers to 4 feet 6 inches, offering enhanced stability for tasks that require a lower center of gravity. This design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about practicality. The ability to transition between modes allows Goate to navigate diverse terrains and perform tasks that would be challenging for robots with a fixed mobility system. With 38 degrees of freedom, DOF, Goate's movements are remarkably fluid and lifelike. Its hands are particularly impressive, featuring 5-fingered dexterity that enables it to handle tools, manipulate delicate objects, and perform complex tasks with precision. Whether it's assembling components on a factory line or assisting with intricate operations, Goate's dexterity puts it in a league of its own. Goate is powered by GAC's proprietary solid-state battery technology, which represents a leap forward in energy storage. These batteries are lighter, charge faster, and offer greater energy capacity compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. For Goate, this translates to 6 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. Even more impressive, the robot consumes 80% less energy than many of its competitors, making it an energy-efficient option for industrial and commercial use. So, where will we see Goate in action? GAC has outlined several key areas where its humanoid robot will make an impact. Goate's first assignment will be within GAC's own factories. The robot is designed to handle repetitive tasks like quality inspections, freeing up human workers for more complex roles. Its precision and efficiency make it an ideal candidate for streamlining automotive production processes. Beyond automotive manufacturing, GAC envisions Goate contributing to logistics, assembly, warehousing, and other industrial sectors. Its mobility and dexterity make it a versatile tool for tasks that require both strength and finesse. Goate's AI-powered perception systems make it well-suited for security applications. Whether it's patrolling sensitive areas or assisting in emergency response scenarios, the robot's ability to adapt to dynamic environments could make it a valuable asset in national security efforts. While the initial focus is on industrial and security roles, GAC is also exploring broader applications for Goate. From healthcare to home assistance, the company sees a future where humanoid robots play a central role in improving quality of life. GAC's entry into humanoid robotics isn't happening in isolation. It's part of a larger trend where Chinese companies are positioning themselves as global leaders in the field. The Chinese government has been heavily investing in robotics, aiming to dominate the global market by 2027. Companies like Tencent, Xiaomi, and Alibaba have already made significant strides, and GAC's move into this space further solidifies China's ambitions. What sets GAC apart is its ability to integrate automotive technologies into robotics. Much like Tesla leverages its expertise in self-driving technology for Optimus, GAC is using its foundation in autonomous driving and AI to accelerate its robotics ambitions. This cross-industry approach gives GAC a unique edge in a crowded and competitive market. GAC's foray into robotics is part of a larger narrative about China's rise in the global technology landscape. The country's focus on robotics isn't just about innovation. It's about establishing dominance in a field that will define the future of industries worldwide. From Tencent's The 5 humanoid robot to Xiaomi's Cyber 1 and Alibaba's Xiaoman LV, Chinese companies are making significant contributions to humanoid robotics. What's interesting is how these companies are blending competition with collaboration, sharing knowledge and resources to accelerate progress. GAC plans to begin small-scale production of Goate in 2026, focusing initially on industrial and security scenarios. However, this is just the beginning. The company envisions scaling up production and refining Goate's capabilities to meet the demands of new applications. One exciting possibility is the integration of even more advanced AI systems, allowing Goate to take on roles in healthcare, education, and personal assistance. Its energy-efficient design and versatile mobility make it well-suited for a variety of environments, from factory floors to home settings. Humanoid robots like Goate aren't just about flashy tech. They're about reshaping how we live and work. Imagine a future where robots handle mundane tasks, assist in dangerous missions, or provide care for the elderly. Companies like GAC are turning that vision into reality. While Tesla's Optimus often grabs headlines, GAC's entry proves that the robotics race is far from a one-company show. With its innovative approach and government support, GAC is positioning itself as a serious contender in this transformative industry. So, what do you think about this rapid advancement in humanoid robotics? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the incredible world of humanoid robots. Thanks for tuning in. We will see you in the next one.